Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Phototherapy with Zee Jamil sharing session. And for today's session, we are indeed extremely lucky to have an amazing lady, an amazing young lady, Dr. Wan Madihah Wan Abdul Halim, an entomologist from College Rizla. Hi, Dr. Madi.
Hi, Missy. Thank you for inviting me. Such an honor to be here, sharing something, inshallah.
Yes, I believe you have a lot of things to share with all our audience out there. So for
Okay.
Dr. Madi has experienced phototherapy, and today she will share with all of us how phototherapy has changed the way she views her world. All right,
Okay.
Madi, can you share with me what were your thoughts when you first saw the pictures?
Okay. Actually, first, I was surprised because how can a photo can reveal yourself lah. So the first time you show me the photo, I'm so afraid. I takut tau I bagi jawapan yang salah. Mungkin sebab I lecturer, when you ask a student, you expect them to give a correct answer. So benda pertama I takut, apa kalau tengok foto, I takut I bagi jawapan yang salah. Sedangkan there is no right or wrong answer. Kan? So when I look, I rasa memang masa lama juga untuk I finally bagi I punya thought at that time. So mungkin I rasa kat sini, I feel that it will reveal something, reflect something yang orang lain tak tahu about myself bila I nak cakap. So I'm scared. I'm scared to give the orang kata my opinion about the photo. So that's the first thought lah, because a photo, so it just thinking lah, a photo can reveal something about me. So that's the first thought lah when I first see the photo.
So can I share with our audience the photos that you got during our phototherapy?
Yes.
So, for information, Dr. Madi had to choose three pictures, and it was not random, right? So we were exploring, one particular issue, and how it was back in the past. How is she feeling in the present during that time, and things that she can take actions, actions that she can take in the future. So the first photo was this photo, right? And if you can see, there's a word
Yes.
there. And the second photo was this one, right, Dr. Madi?
Yes.
Right, timing, and there's a little bit there. And the final photo was this, judgment.
Judgment, yes.
Huh? All right. So, Dr. Madi, can you share more about your experience? For example, how have the photos impacted you?
Okay, so
Because
actually, I selalu rasa I ni bukan orang yang ada masalah. I'm not a problematic person. So when you first asked me to choose, I rasa I pilih love at that time. Is it kan? Because last year something happened that hit me so hard. Yang I ni ambitious punya tau. And then benda yang jadi tu drag my energy, my spirit. Mungkin lepas habis belajar, I kerja, so kita make ourselves busy and all that. So kita acah-acah kuat. Kita rasa I'm okay, I have no issue. So after you show me the photo, dia macam mana? Dia reveal my unresolved issues that I don't realize that I have issue actually. I have issue, yes. And I think the second one tu lagi lah macam orang kata memberi impact, because I don't know, random picture can resolve my my issue. So it was shocking actually, and after I realized that I ni ada masalah ni, it's not, sometimes kan masalah kita tak realize tau, it's a problem actually, it's an issue in ourselves. So I discover something, session with you, thanks to you. So bila I tahu benda, when you know your problem, you akan lebih fokus, you know you nak atur macam mana, and you know your life lah. And here comes kita as a Muslim, after kita discover something, kita akan doa to our creator, to Allah. So I start with the doa and upgrading to the Asma Husna and Tafsir Al-Quran. So it's actually one more thing, credit to you, because I think you punya kata apa? You punya calmness that buat kat I selesa to let it out. You know, oh okay. So that's how it changed my view about myself.
So that's the beauty of phototherapy tau, Dr. Madi.
Yes, yes.
Macam especially us women, we macam cakap tadi lah, kita acah-acah kuat kan. Sometimes we have to
Yes, yes.
for the sake of other people. For example,
Yes, yes.
I have to show that I'm strong in front of my daughters. But then again, we have to acknowledge juga there are issues unresolved.
Yes.
Kan? For us to
Yes.
forward to achieve more goals in life, we have to address some of these unresolved issues. Kan? So that's the beauty of phototherapy, because you know, macam you will subconsciously tap things that you don't want to think about, tapi sebenarnya
Yes.
just go one at once, at least deal with that issue, then you can, orang kata blockage lah, kan, blockage. So that's the beauty of phototherapy, kan? And we know that in phototherapy with Zee Jamil, we also incorporate Asma'ul Husna, the internalizing Asma'ul Husna.
Yes.
So how do you personally feel about that special session?
Okay, I want to share something here. Okay, so I have this doa book. You know, when I know my issue, I can be more focused. So I have a doa book. Okay, so this is my doa book. Okay, in this book, I wrote everything what I want and everything lah. Apa yang I nak, I doakan untuk orang yang I sayang. And I upgrade my doa Asma'ul Husna. This is the latest one I buat last month. Okay, can you see this? Okay, I gunting all the 99 names nama Allah and put in the pocket. Okay, so setiap doa I akan spesifikkan mengikut nama-nama tu. Like for us in academic, you nak cari sesuatu maklumat, you akan cari pakar dia. As for example, dekat college ni, if they want to know about insect, they will come to me. So sama juga, we have 99 names. Okay, Allah ada 99 nama. So I address the doa according to the nama Allah lah. Okay, like for ampunkan doa dosa, Al-Ghaffar, Al-Ghafur, it's just a sharing lah. So this is doa for jodoh. Dulu I buat panjang. Lepas tu doa jodoh I tak sampai-sampai. So I make it specific. So I think benda ni boleh orang kata apa, buat kita lagi semangat nak doa. You know, using nama-nama Allah, and I upgrade that into this is the one that you give to me. Alhamdulillah, thanks to you. Okay. So daripada tu I upgrade sedikit demi sedikit lah. So dalam Al-Quran, sebenarnya I baca Al-Quran, but this time around for the tafsir, I highlight nama-nama Allah mention in Al-Quran. Okay, so banyak sangat Allah mention. Ya Allah, Alhamdulillah, this me and very meaningful to me. Until today, I baca, I rasa dah sebulan kot you guys see dekat I. Banyak Allah sebut Al-Alim, Allah Maha Mengetahui. Okay, so last I nak share, I always pray, daripada dulu lagi, I cakap dekat Allah, bagi kejayaan berlipat ganda dunia akhirat. And I work extremely hard for dunia only. Belajar sampai PhD, kerja, buat research, buat ini. Where is my akhirat effort? So I really hope that this can be a small effort lah untuk I improve myself bit by bit. I'm 27 already. I think it's about time lah. And thanks to you, because Alhamdulillah I met you. I'm so grateful that you trigger me to do more. Alhamdulillah.
Hadha min fadli Rabbi, everything is from Allah. We are united. Actually, Dr. Madi was my ex-student back in MRSM Langkawi, and the reason why successful young lady, she's only 27, but mashallah, Dr.
Alhamdulillah.
And it's beautiful when you venture into something which I don't think a lot of people are interested in, which is entomology. So it's about insects, right?
Yes.
Studying insects, you will see more, apa orang cakap, kehebatan Allah ni sekecil-kecil.
Ya, betul. Wow.
Allah. So thank you so much, Dr. Madi. So everyone, so that's the beauty of phototherapy. Whereby the reason why phototherapy is special and the reason why I'm venturing into this now is because it helps us to declutter our mind. Kan Dr. Madi? Sebab
yes, absolutely.
Kita ada banyak sangat benda kat sini that we don't know which issue to address first.
Yes.
Kita tak tahu mana satu. So that's the beauty of phototherapy, sebab kita akan pause dulu, you know, take a deep breath, relax, and just choose one issue at a time. Sebab kadang-kadang kita ni ambitious. Kita macam, semua benda aku nak settle sekarang.
Betul. Semua nak. Lepas tu acah-acah kuat. That's sometimes a woman like that.
And it's draining. It drains
Yes,
energy bila kita cacat kuat, kan?
betul.
This phototherapy is basically definitely the internalizing Asma Husna, because our intention here is to invite all of us out there to let's go back to the deen. Let's go back to Allah
Yes,
regardless any issue.
inshallah.
Mahdi?
Yes.
All right, thank you so
So,
much, Mahdi, for your sharing. That was beautiful.
thank you. I really hope it will inspire people out there to start. Start with small things. Jangan rasa berat untuk start sesuatu yang baik, insyaAllah. Semoga yang baik-baik untuk kita, insyaAllah.
InsyaAllah. Moga-moga our little effort in spreading dakwah, especially the internalizing Asma'ul Husna, diberkati Allah. Alright, thank you Dr. Mahdi. I hope to see you again, insyaAllah.
Amin, ya Mujib.
Stay safe.
Thank you, insyaAllah.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you.
Okay. Wassalam.